Okay, Sameer ji, this is selective interpretation of facts and history. Rashid Kidwai says that there was no injustice to Rajesh Pilot. Sonia Gandhi wasn't even active.
बिल्कुल मैं इस मामले में रशीद किदवई जी से सहमत हूं कि राजेश पायलट के साथ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कांग्रेस ने बहुत अनजस्टिफिकेशन नहीं किया था। यह बात सही है कि राजेश पायलट चुनाव लड़ना चाहते थे सोनिया गांधी के खिलाफ, या जितेंद्र प्रसाद उस समय चुनाव लड़ने वाले थे सोनिया गांधी के खिलाफ। उस समय वो जितेंद्र प्रसाद को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे। अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनकी डेथ हो गई और बाद में वह एपिसोड क्लोज हो गया। जहां तक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जरूर जिक्र किया, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री मोदी राजस्थान की जनता को सचिन पायलट के साथ जो पिछले 5 साल में हुआ है कि जब उन्हें प्रदेश अध्यक्ष बनाया गया, उनके नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़े, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को एक भी गुर्जर एमएलए जीतकर नहीं आया। कांग्रेस को पूरा गुर्जर कम्युनिटी का समर्थन मिला इस बात पर कि सचिन पायलट मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे। उसके बाद जब अशोक गहलोत बन गए और अशोक गहलोत ने जिस हिसाब से ट्रीटमेंट किया सचिन पायलट के साथ, सचिन पायलट ने विद्रोह किया। उसके बाद सचिन पायलट को न प्रदेश अध्यक्ष बनाया न मंत्री बनाया। अब आप उसके बाद देखिए टिकट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में सचिन की कोई भूमिका नहीं रही। सचिन पायलट ने जब करप्शन की बात की, पेपर लीक की बात की, उन्हें उसका सपोर्ट नहीं मिला। जब केंद्रीय नेतृत्व ने, कांग्रेस ने विधायक दल की बैठक बुलाई थी और ये इस बात की संभावना थी कि अशोक गहलोत का इस्तीफा होगा, सचिन पायलट मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, उस समय शांति धारीवाल और बाकी एमएलए ने जो विद्रोह किया पार्टी के खिलाफ, उससे यह बात गुर्जर के अंदर चली गई है कि अशोक गहलोत किसी भी स्थिति में सचिन पायलट को मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनने देंगे। और अब जिस हिसाब से पूरे राजस्थान की कैंपेनिंग को अशोक गहलोत ने खुद लीड किया है, ऐसी स्थिति में अब प्रदेश के गुर्जर भी इस बात को जानते हैं कि अगर कांग्रेस की सरकार आती है तो अशोक गहलोत ही मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, सचिन पायलट के लिए स्पेस नहीं है। तो ऐसी स्थिति में गुर्जर इस बार पूरी तरीके से भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोटिंग करने जा रहा है।
निखिल जैन, द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज दैट अक्रॉस पोस्टर्स यू विल see that Ashok Gehlot is the towering figure, even if we forget Rajesh Pilot for a second. The fact of the matter is that the chief minister called the tallest face of the Gujar community in the Congress a gaddar. Can the Gujar community forget and forgive?
Padmaja, there are a lot of things said by a lot of leaders in politics against one another, and then the same leaders go around and join the other party. Himanta Biswa Sharma used to criticize Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and today he is a chief minister in that same party. Jyotiraditya Scindia used to criticize Modi, and now he is in the BJP. Opposite is also true that there have been people from the BJP who criticize the Gandhi family or the Congress party are now in the Congress.
Do you remember Himanta Biswa?
Precisely my point. Precisely my point. No, I remember all of it. Precisely my point, Padmaja. Sachin Pilot is somebody who has never left the Congress party. He has been with the Congress party through all along. Of course, there were at some point of time differences between Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot. Those differences are no more. The BJP has been trying to fool the people of Rajasthan that those differences have existed, despite the fact that the two leaders are seen on the same stage so very often in the past few months. They hold hand together, they raise hand together. They are fighting the election together. They feature on the same hoardings. They feature in the same press conferences. They were very much part of the screening committee that was deciding the tickets. Sachin Pilot did have his say when giving the tickets, as did Ashok Gehlot, as did other stakeholders from the party. And let me just address a few points that the BJP spokesperson had raised. She's saying that the Congress has not fulfilled the promise.
No, hold on a second. We're staying about the pilots. About the pilots. Hold on a second. I want to stay about the pilots. I will just ask you a simple counter question. You are saying, now they are all together. There is a famous saying कि आप रस्सी को अगर जोड़ भी दो तो उसमें गांठ तो रह जाती है. Classic case was what happened in Uttar Pradesh. After their historic rivalry and saying all kinds of things about each other, the SP and the BSP came together, but the Dalit vote did not transfer to the Samajwadi Party for the simple reason that the voters never forgot. The Dalits never forgot what the Yadavs had done to the Dalits and to the tallest icon. My question to you politically is, will the Gujars forget what the Congress did to their leader?
The Gujars are very much with the Congress leader Sachin Pilot and other leaders of the Congress. It is the same party. When you're giving me examples of SP and BSP, you're forgetting that they are two different parties. There need not be any transfer of vote from one party to the other. It is the same very party. And on what grounds is the Prime Minister saying that Rajesh Pilot ने गांधीज के खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ा तो इसलिए Sachin Pilot के साथ ये हो रहा है? Sachin Pilot was given a ticket to contest the Member of Parliament from Lok Sabha, Dausa district, in 2004 when he was 27 years of age. He was made a union minister at 32 years of age. And the party was right in its decisions. He was then made the PCC chief. He was then made the deputy chief minister.
But much water has flown in the Dhundar since then.
He continues to be one of the tallest leaders.
Much water has flown in the Dhund river since then.